asked me to make a birthday nanotape Mabel and then pop it. So you shall receive. First, let's slice our nanotape. Now we're gonna color one half yellow and the other pink. Done. Now for some confetti and delicious rainbow sprinkles. Let's add some stunning pink glitter. Some shiny birthday slices. Of course, we can't forget the notorious birthday cake charm. Can't forget the shiny blue streamers. Now let's fold her up, attach her to the pump, and seal every single corner. Now let's blow this baby up. Damn, this ball is massive. This has to be the world's prettiest nano bubble. Looks like birthday heaven in there. The cake is hanging on for dear life.
Help me!
She is too squishy to pop. 3, 2, 1. Now we're left with a spit-up birthday cake blob. It just swallowed my rings.